Dear students, very good morning. Welcome to Python programming class. In this session, we will see working with data encryption in Python. Okay, encryption in Python. Previously, in interactive session, I am covered the topic encryption, how it will work. Encryption means original message is there, plain text message. We have to encrypt that one to in ciphertext. Okay, encoded form. Unintelligent message is called ciphertext. We will take that ciphertext and convert into that ciphertext into plain text. Okay, the process of converting plain text to ciphertext is called encryption. The process of converting ciphertext to plain text is called decryption. Okay, encryption and decryption like that. In order to do encrypt, we will require one algorithm. Suppose one message is there. That message can be converted into ciphertext. In order to convert that message into ciphertext, what we required one algorithm and a key. One algorithm and key. The algorithm we used here is AES algorithm. Okay, we are not going to the details of the AES algorithm. Just remember this one. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard Algorithm. If you are studying in final year means in CNS subject is there, cryptography and network security. In cryptography and network security, this AES algorithm will come. Okay, so much of concepts is there, number of rounds is there, how to gen process. Okay, okay, this session is not about AES, just how to encrypt. Okay, encrypt, we will require one algorithm. Name of the algorithm is Advanced Encryption Standard Algorithm. Next, one key is required. Okay, for that algorithm, we will give the input message and the key. It will produce ciphertext. For the same algorithm, AES algorithm, we will give the ciphertext and the key. It will produce the original message. Okay, this is the process of in data encryption. Okay, this session is about data encryption in Python. Okay, before doing any program in data encryption in Python, we have to install one module, cryptographic module in Python. Okay, first time, this is the first time we are installing in the modules. Okay, next in modules session, we will get in detail about how it will work with modules. Okay, this is the first session of us to work with modules. We will see how to install module in Python. Okay, before doing installation of module, new module, pip command can be used. Pip3 command can be used. Okay, before doing that, before using that pip3, we have to set the path variable. How to set the path variable, we will see. First, in this system, I have installed Python in this folder. Okay, observe here, Python 3.8. The Python, this is the exe file. Okay, Python 3.8 folder, I am installed Python. In this one folder is there, script. At script folder, pip commands are there, pip. Okay, copy this path, Control C, copy. Okay, go to the my computer. First, this PC properties. Okay, advanced system variables, environment variables, path variable, edit. Okay, create new variable. Okay, paste that path here simply. Just I am already done this, paste. Okay, in this fashion we can do like this. Delete. Okay. First thing, in order to set the path to scripts folder. Okay, one way how to do it. Okay, go to the Python installation folder. Okay, Python is installed in which folder here in my system, Python 3.8. Okay, you observe all these files, Python 3.dl. In this folder, scripts file is there. Okay, copy this path. Okay, copy. Next one, go to this PC properties. Advanced system settings, environment variables, path variable. Here not new, edit, press edit. Okay, new. Here paste this path, paste. Okay, this is the way to set the path. Press OK, 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 like this. Already it is there, that's why I am deleting this one. Okay, after pasting this path, just OK, OK, OK. Okay. Now, till now we have set the path for this one. Okay. Next one. This is the file. Okay. This in shared folder I am placing this one. After completion of the class, you will observe this path. Okay. Install this one. We will use this command pip3 install cryptography. Okay. Pip3 install cryptography. We have to type. What in which location we have to type? pip3 install cryptographic. Cryptographic module is installed. Next also we will see the number of this one, the number of modules using installation of pip3. Okay, command prompt. I am going to the command prompt. Okay, here you may type pip3 install cryptography. pip3 install cryptography. It will install cryptography. Already it is installed, that's why it message came. Otherwise, some installation, some folders will be downloaded and installed. The internet must be required. Internet facility to the system must be required. Okay, from the net it will download the packages. Okay, PIP3 install cryptography. Okay, in this fashion we can install the module. After installing this module, now we will go to the program. Okay, after installing cryptography module, first we have to install the cryptography module. Okay, now we have seen how to install cryptography. pip3 install cryptography. Before this, we have to set the path to the script variable. pip3 command, the path will be set to the scripts folder. Okay, if you have any doubt, just pause the video in your system step by step. You will do like this, what I am doing. Okay, in this fashion we can install the cryptography module. Now the task of ours is first one, generate a key. One key can be generated. Okay, generate key. Cryptographic, after completion of installation of cryptographic module, first one we have to generate a key. A key will be generated. Okay, next one, take the message, encrypt that message using this key. We will get the encrypted message. By taking this encrypted message, you will get the decrypted message. Decrypt the message. Okay. Next, we will generate a key. How to generate a key? Next, we will see the program for generating a key. Okay, in modules it will come. Previously, we have seen import is there. Okay, import some package name, import cryptography, or all functions are imported. Okay, a module contains A module contains number of methods and variables. A module contains number of methods. Okay, suppose a module contains 25 methods. In my program I want to use only one method. Okay, then the import statement is like this. Once again I am saying, suppose one module is there. Module name is MVR. MVR contains 25 methods. First method is CSC1, CSC2, CSC3, CSC25. 25 methods is there. Now my requirement is I want to use only one method from that module. Then no need to import entire module into my program. Okay, import MVR means all 25 methods are imported. But I want to use only one method, CSC5 method. Okay, in order to use only one method, I will write the statement like this. Okay, import MVR from that module, import this one, the name of the method. We will write the statement like this. Cryptography dot fernet. Cryptography is the one module. On that one, fernet is the another module. Okay, this is the name of the module. Cryptography module, fernet is the module. On that one, import the function fernet. Okay. Okay, generate key from cryptography.fernet. A module contains another module, fernet module. Import. This is the name of the function I want. Fernet module contains the number of functions. Okay, I want to use only fernet. Okay, generate key. DEF generate key generates a key and save it into a file. Key equal to fernet dot this function. This contains one method called generate key. Key equal to fernet dot generate key. Okay, key equal to fernet dot generate key. This fernet module contains various functions: generate key, encrypt, decrypt, like that. Okay, with open, I am creating one file handler, key file equal to, with open secret key wb write mode. Open command, we know that key file equal to open secret key wb as key file. This is the one way of doing opening the file. Or key file equal to, you may directly write open secret key wb. Key file dot write key. Okay, in key file, write the value key. Suppose I am creating secret file mbr secret key dot wb as key file. Key file dot write key. Write the key in key file. Already key is generated. That generated key is written onto the key file. Key file dot write key. Okay, I am calling this function. In the Python, the function is declared like this: def generate key colon. Okay, some tab indent spaces are there. Okay, the function can be called like this: generate key. Now I will run this program, generate key. Okay, in d colon cd csc21 python cd unit 2. Okay, in this folder that function is there, cls, that method, python. Name of the file is generate key, genpy. Okay, key is generated. Okay, now observe here in this coding folder whether the file is there or not. Okay, CSC, where is CSC21 Python? Okay, CSC21 Python, unit 2. Okay, generate key, genkey.py. Okay, is it saved? No, it is not saved. First save this file. Okay, once again I am running generate key. Okay, now this file will generate. What is the name of the key file? mbr secret key, secret dot key. This file will be generated. mbr secret dot mbr secret dot key. Key file is generated. Okay, if you observe, key file means it contains some unintelligent text. Okay, that is the key file. We are generated the, till now we have generated the key file. Next, encryption. Okay, using that key, we will give the data and encrypt the message. Okay, yeah, this is the code for encryption. From cryptography, this is the statement: from cryptography.fernet, import fernet. Okay, till now just to write that statement. In modules I will give detailed information about that one. What are the different types of import, what are the modules in Python, I will give in detail about that in modules concept. Okay. Definition: load key, load the previously generated key. Okay, already one key is generated. What is the name of the file? MBR secret key dot in read mode. That file will be opened and send. Load key, open that file and read command used to read the data from that file. This file is open, only one statement. Okay, that file is open and data will be read. Whenever the load key function is called, the value of the data will be returned. Next, encrypt message. Encrypt message. Okay, whatever the message we are given, that message will be encrypted. First key is loaded, encoded message, message to be encoded in Unicode form. Encode is, this is not encryption. Encode means that message can be converted into Unicode form. Okay, after Fernet key, F equal to Fernet of key, just algorithm, for that algorithm we are given key. This is the AES algorithm. Okay, above the AES algorithm, okay, Fernet key, we are generated key is given to the algorithm. Next, I am encrypting this one. F dot encrypt, whatever the message I am passed, encoded message. Okay, the encoded message is encrypted. Okay, just for our sake, just I am printing the encrypted message. Print encrypted message. Okay, name if, okay, by heart this one. If name is a special variable in module, while doing programming in module, while doing programming in Python in modules, module level programming, we will get this one. Name is a special variable. Okay. Once again, underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore. The name of the variable is underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore. If it refers to the current module, I am in this module only. What is the value? Main. If I am calling this one from another module, okay, this module has this variable has the name of the module. Okay. How I can explain this one. Okay, suppose you are in MVR college student. In that college, some outside person came, ask, oh, in which college you are studying? What you will say? In this college I am studying. This is the college I am studying. Okay, if he is asked the question in our college means you will answer what answer you will give? Underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore, this college. Okay, the same question asked outside the college in another place in your village, some person asked, what is the name of your college? The name of my college is MVR college. Okay, here underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore. In the college, it is this. Whereas outside, the value of underscore underscore name underscore underscore is MVR. In the same fashion, this variable can be used. Okay, in detail. Once again, it will come at the time of covering the modules topic in detail about modules. Okay, up to that, remember this. What is the, if in your application has 10 modules, if suppose application has module means don't confuse. A Python program is called a module. Every Python program is called a module. Okay, every Python program is called a module. Suppose in your application has 10 modules, 10 Python programs. Okay, 10 .py files. Okay, these 10 Python programs will signify that only one application. What is the starting point? The starting point can be indicated using this main. Okay, underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore, main. Okay. Okay, don't worry about this statement. If underscore, underscore, name, underscore, underscore equal to main, just write this one. Encrypt message. Okay, this is the name of the function, user defined function, encrypt message. Message is MBR College of Engineering and Technology. by DSR. Okay, MVR College of Engineering and Technology by DSR. Save. Okay, this is the encrypt message. Now I am running encrypt program, encrypt.py. Okay, encrypt.py. Okay, this is the encrypted message. Okay, we get the encrypted message. Now we will decrypt the message. Okay, decrypt the message using decrypt.py. Okay, cryptography. This is the importing the module load key. Already, what is the name of the key here? MVR secret key. MVR secret key. Decrypt the message. Okay. Just some data I am passing. Okay, that data, whatever the data I am passing to the function, I am printing here. Okay, load key. This function is load key is what load key will return. Previously we are generated key. All the file on that data will be coming to the variable key. Okay, F equal to Fernet key, initialize the algorithm Fernet process. Okay, decrypt the message. Okay, for encrypt, we will use the encrypt function. For decrypt, we will use the decrypt function. F dot decrypt data decrypted message. I am printing the decrypted message by using decode. Okay, here I will update here data. Just copy and paste. This is the message previously we have generated. Okay, this is the encrypted message. After encryption is over, copy and paste that message here, data. Okay, if name equal to main, this is the starting point of decrypt.py. Okay, the program will start here, decrypt message. Okay, this message will come into the variable data. I am printing the data value, loading the key. Okay, this is the initialization of the algorithm, Fernet key. F equal to Fernet key. Here algorithm will be initialized using the key. Decrypted message F dot decrypt. Actual decryption process is this one. Okay. Already key is given here. Now data is giving here decrypt. Okay. Decrypted message. I am printing the decrypted message using decode. Save. Okay. Now I will run the decrypt to Python program. Decrypt to py. Observe here. The first message, this is the encrypted message. This message came because of just a print data. Print data statement is there in this program. Okay, print data statement, just it prints the this value. Next, MVR College of Engineering and Technology by DSR. Actually, this is the original message encrypted. Okay, the decrypted message is MVR College of Engineering and Technology by DSR. Okay, in this fashion, we can do encryption and decryption in Python programming. Okay, it is important. Okay, how to perform encryption and decryption? First one, install the module cryptography. How to install the module cryptography? Using pip. This is the concept. Later, next onwards, it will come number of times. Install the module in cryptography, it will come number of times. Okay, how to install the module? Using pip command, install the module. Okay, before using the pip command, the script folder contains these pip command related functions. Okay, set the path variable. If you don't know how to set the pip path means, just go to the once again go to the starting of the video. I have already explained not once, twice how to set the path to the script path. Go to the environment variables, path variable, edit, set this one. Okay. After setting the path, close the command prompt. Once again, open the command. Whenever the path variable is updated by environment variables, we have to close that command prompt. Okay, once again, freshly open the command prompt. PIP3 install cryptography. PIP3 install cryptography. Cryptography module will be installed. By writing this statement, cryptographic module will be installed. After installing, we will first generate a key, encrypt the message, decrypt the message. Okay, all these programs in a lab folder. You have a lab folder. In lab folder, this data will be available. In unit 2 data encryption, one file, the name of this file is word file is this one. Okay, data encryption. In unit 2 data encryption, one word file is there. On that word file, this all this process is there. Okay, whereas these programs are available in unit 2 cryptography. I will create one folder, CRYPT cryptography. Okay, in cryptography folder, these are three files: generate key, encrypt.py, decrypt.py. For reference purpose, use these programs. Okay. Now, once again, we will see how to do encryption and decryption of data in Python program. Okay. Observe here the coding part. I will give another message. This is the generate key. Okay. MVR secret key is a generate key. Every time no need to generate key. First time. Okay. We have to keep this key is securely. Okay. Encrypt.py. Okay. Observe here. I will give one important information to you. Okay, that is the message. Okay. Now I will encrypt that message. Okay, observe clearly that is not saying wrong, that is correct. Okay, I will give that message. I am encrypting that message. How to encrypt that message? Using encrypt.py. Okay, message is encrypted. Okay, I am decrypting that message. Okay, copy that mess. First one, copy that message. Go to the decrypt.py file. Okay. Paste, close. Okay, in order to decrypt that message, we have to take the encrypted message and paste here. Okay, now the decrypted message is also there. Decrypt. Okay, some message came. Decrypt the message. Okay, next one. I am running the decrypt.py. Okay, decrypt.py coming previous one only. MBR College of Engineering and Technology by DSR. This is not the encrypted message. Okay, I have to save decrypt.py file. Or is it same or not previous one? Is it encrypt? Okay, yes. Encrypt is not saved. Encrypt.py I am not saved. That's why previous value came. Once again, I am running the encrypt.py. Okay, this is the encrypted message. Okay, new encrypted message. Okay, now I am considering this one. Copy, paste here in decrypted. Go to the decrypt.py file. Okay, just paste that value, save this file, cls decrypt.py. Dear students, tomorrow onwards I will handle the MFCS subject, Mathematical Foundation in Computer Science subject. Okay, that is the encrypted message. Okay, this is about decryption, encryption and decryption in Python. Okay, okay, this is about data encryption in Python. Just install the module, generate the key, encrypt the message, take the encrypted data, and decrypt that message. Okay, all these files are available in. Suppose you want, I want the code of these files means just yourself will type, take the pen and paper and write down all the code, whatever the code you observe. Okay, yourself. This is the best way. Okay, no sir, I am so busy, I have no time. It's just copy and paste this code. Okay, you will execute this one. If you have any difficulty, then call to me. How to install the PIP cryptographic module? Just PIP3 install cryptography. Net must be required. Internet connection must be required before start of installing. Because installing the package, it will take the files from the net and install the required files. Okay. Next one, next onwards. Okay, this is the procedure for you. I will handle the subject MFCS. Now onwards, the classes of Python and MFCS. One day is Python class, next day is MFCS.